Hey guys, I seen something here the other day on TikTok and I want to give it a try. As y'all know, it's really warm right now. They say that you can make your own Frosty at home better than what you get in the restaurants, so we're going to give it a try. All you need is some chocolate milk and some instant pudding powder. So all they say you do, take 2 cups of chocolate milk. I'm using Rolo. Look at that, 2 cups exactly. Dump it in your mixing bowl. I'm using another mixing cup here. Then all you do, take a tablespoon of chocolate pudding powder. And you use a little bit extra just because. There you go. Then take your little mixing device here. And just give her a mix up. Get her good and frothy, I guess, is the whole idea behind it. And then once that's done, you're going to go ahead and take that and put it into the freezer, freeze it, and apparently this is better than any Frosty you get in the restaurant. So we'll put her in the freezer, and in a couple hours, we'll come back and see how it turned out. Well, it's been a couple of days. I screwed up and forgot about my little experiment in the freezer. So we're going to give it a try. I kind of overfroze it. I think you're only supposed to let it sit for a couple of hours. This is sat for a couple of days, but yeah, we're going to give it a try here and see how it turned out. So, as you guys can see, it did firm up. And again, this was just chocolate pudding with some chocolate milk mixed together, and they say this is supposed to be just like a Frosty. And even though it is, well, it's definitely a Frosty. So, how's it taste? Pretty good. Definitely good. Like I said, it would have been a lot better if I would have only let it sit for the couple of hours and not freeze as much as it has. But other than that, that tastes really good. So if you want to give it a try, all it is 2 cups of chocolate milk, any chocolate milk that you want. I got Rolo in here. And a tablespoon of instant chocolate pudding mix. And you got yourself a Frosty. Really good. On a hot day like today, this is perfect. Thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. See you again next time.